Hi, good day to you all. In this session, we'll understand more about initiating, which is the first among the five process groups. Okay, so what is initiating or what is the overview? In initiating, the first action when beginning or starting a project is to define the project goal and determine the reasons for the project. Okay, why the project is being undertaken, what is the reason, what is the motive. Okay, and we can term or refer this as a project rationale or the business case. And as we all know, the project manager is assigned normally in the initiating project or process group. Okay, and he is being assigned by someone with authority like a project sponsor or a steering committee. And along with the project sponsor, the project manager selects his team, that is the project team, okay, and assigns them the roles and responsibilities. Okay, and once the project team is there, the project manager, the project sponsor, and the appropriate project stakeholders, they sit down together to research, analyze, and collaborate to clarify the reasons for the project. Okay, again, what is the reason for undertaking this project? And through various discussions, interactions, the team agrees on the reasons and need for the work. Okay, and with that, they craft a clear statement of purpose. Okay, why this project is being undertaken with the anticipated deliverables. And this statement of purpose, okay, that is being submitted for the management, and the management approves it. Okay, so the reasons for the project is being clarified, and then it is crafted into a clear statement of purpose and submitted to the project higher authorities or the management, and they will approve it so that the project can move. The project is approved by the team, okay, or the project higher authorities by a project charter. Okay, I will explain you what a project charter is in next sessions. And one thing which is very important, okay, which I'll mention even in other process groups as well, that effective communication is critical, because it is only through this effective communication that the expectations, requirements, etc., of the stakeholders, okay, are understood and they are being taken care of or catered for. The goals are formulated, the idea is researched, the statement of purpose crafted, etc., and finally the project will be submitted. Everything happens through communication. So effective communication is critical, and communication, as you all know, normally it happens by emails, phone calls, meetings, etc. Okay, in order to craft a clear statement of purpose by research, analysis, and other interactions, we need to ask a basic set of questions, okay, and answers are sought by the team from the different stakeholders. So that is how the initiating process will progress. I'll take you through the question and answers in the next session.